Okay, for disassembly, the first thing you want to do is, if you have a battery installed, remove your battery. And then remove your nozzle. You'll be the circle right here is just a little button, so all you have to do is just push down and pull up, and the nozzle comes right off. Next, you want to remove the screws. Once again, I already done repair on the sweeper, so I removed all the screws except for 2 of them. But it's really not hard to do. You have all the screw holes, which are extremely visible. So all you have to do is just take your screwdriver and remove all the screws. So I got 2 screws here, and then just put the screws in your container. Real easy. The next step, you have this sticker right here. So just take your utility knife and cut the sticker in half. Then your skewer should come right apart. Just like this. If you found this demonstration to be useful and helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel.